important article came out in Russia saying that you should not be taking alcohol at least 14 days before taking the vaccine, and you should not be taking alcohol for at least 2 months after taking the vaccine. And there was a huge hue and cry in Russia after that. And because there's a huge consumption of alcohol and spirits in Russia. And later on, even a lot of studies showed that there is no basis to saying that you should not be taking alcohol for 2 months after taking the vaccine. The recommendations now say that that you should not be taking alcohol at least for 2 to 3 days after taking the vaccine jab. And so this is what it is, post-vaccine, at least for 2 to 3 days. But it is, you have to understand that there is no real fixed guideline in this. Alcohol also, the reason why we should not be taking alcohol post-vaccine is also because after vaccination, a lot of patients develop, a lot of people develop effects like malaise, pain at the vaccination site, fever, and also weakness after taking the vaccine. And if we consume alcohol post-vaccination, then again these effects are also, they will be mixed with the alcohol side effects and hangovers, and you will not be able to really know what exactly is happening. So at least for 48 to 72 hours after taking the vaccine, please do not consume alcohol. There have been a lot of studies which say that alcohol does boost, when taken in moderate amounts, the immunity. But that doesn't mean that we extrapolate it into saying that whenever we go to take the COVID-19 vaccine, we should be consuming alcohol, because hey, it's the other way around. Before we go in for a COVID-19 vaccine, we need our immunity to be at its best, so that we can get and we can develop antibodies in an optimum way. So you have to understand that alcohol per se basically weakens the immune system when taken in huge quantities. And as you know that in COVID-19, we need our immune system to be strong so that we can fight against the virus that is invading our cells. So there is no justification in promoting the use of alcohol or taking alcohol after the COVID-19 jab. This is important, especially because a lot of youngsters from 18 years have now been allowed to be taking the COVID-19 vaccine jab, and they have been waiting for a long time and have been in lockdown, and they will feel like partying after the COVID-19 vaccine, and it is not recommended. One more important point is that alcohol also basically is a depressant, and it plays and alters the neurotransmitters in the brain. And so post-vaccination, you need to be basically in a very good physical state, and there is no evidence to show that alcohol boosts these physical immunity, and it helps in improving the adaptive or the innate immunity. So there is no reason to be partying or to be consuming alcohol post-vaccination.